So let me just go around onto new chat right here. And let's say, for example, tell it something like generate a table of vegetables right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, it'll simply go ahead and give me a simple table data of vegetables. And let's say what I actually want to do is now share this out with others. In that case, after the chat is generated right here, just like this, you can see that share is an option. So if I were to go around onto share, then what happens is that I get a few options, like I can export it as a Word document, I can copy out a link to it, and I can copy the text right here. But if I were to go ahead and copy out the link, then what happens is that it says link copied successfully. And if you were to actually go ahead and paste that link out, so let's say, for example, I share this particular link, then what happens is that the other person will be able to access the result of that chat right here, just like this, and can continue from that chat as well if they sign in. And that is how you can go ahead and share out your chats by generating links inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.